We start doing business mobile service locksmiths January 1st, 2002. We've been trained. We're like a licensed locksmith. We at the ABC Lock and Key, we not only have a shop, we have a mobile service available as well. Our services is residential, commercial, and automobile, especially when it comes to push-button lock and card readers and mechanical and electrical locks, and also lever handle, deadbolts. We carry a variety of this type of lock, and we do rekey the houses. When they lose their key, we can come out there to their location and disable the old key and generate new key. I mean, when it comes to our job, it's all about tricks and experience. Our business is special because this type of service is an emergency service. It's really important for me when somebody needs assistance, serving that customer and see this customer is happy and have a good experience with us, and next time they're gonna call us back and have a good relation with customers. This is very important for me. A lot of people coming in, especially when they come in here, they can save a lot of money, and the service is going to be quicker. So in every case, it's kind of emergency and related to security and critical issues. We are there to go there and solve the problems.
ABC Lock and Key.
¿Habla español?
Sí, hablamos español. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar?